This is the Central Suite residence in the Soxan Road area, guys, and we have been staying here whilst we have looked for an apartment to stay. And today's checkout day because we're moving in, and we'll show you that place in the next video. But I thought I'd show you this joint because it is very, very nice. As we walk through the reception here, we've got these lovely vine plant thingos here, which creates a bit of a jungle atmosphere. Some lovely brick and concrete artwork, and a lovely waiting area downstairs. Some nice couches, very lovely staff here, and like a breakfast and restaurant area over yonder. Let's check out the pool before we go upstairs, and I'll show you our room. This is quite a pleasant spot to sit and relax if you are that way inclined. The pool is excellent. The kids had lots of fun playing here. Max had lots of fun playing here. And if you've got to entertain a child, that's what you want. You want them to have fun so they're not cracking the shits. It makes life easy for you. This is the restaurant area here to my left, and it is also quite pleasant. We never had the breakfast or anything, I don't think. It's just day. Don't know why. I probably bloody should. Look at these plants. I think we've got these at home on a hedge. Oh, they look nice. Yeah, look, we've got fans out here. It's sort of al fresco-ish. Very, very pleasant, I think. And they've got a bar and a swim-up bar, and my goodness me, this is the first time I've actually been this far down here. And I have absolutely missed my opportunity to sit at the swim-up bar and sink overpriced piss. Oh well, you win some, you lose some, but you've got this lovely spot here, and you've got those like submerged sunbeds over there as well, which is pretty cool. But yeah, very, very nice spot. Let me take you now up to our room where we've been staying these last couple of days since landing here in Siem Reap. So here is a room at the Central Suite residence, room number 101. So if your name is Winston and you're in a dystopian book, I'd be worried. So you walk in, lovely solid wooden doors, peephole, yeah, it's functional, that's what you want. To your left you get some cupboards for things. You've got some nice bathrobes here in a traditional style of bathrobes. A safe and a scale, so that's to weigh your goods before you put them away, or maybe that's just to see how much fat you've gotten on your stay here. Or if you've lost weight because you've had the squirts. Both things can happen. We've got ourselves a fridge, and the bar fridge is reasonable. We bought yogurt for me, anything like that. What a waste of a walk to the shop. Standard bloody hotel bar fridge prices there. Tea and coffee making facilities are also here with this lovely bench space, which is beautiful, made of beautiful marble straight from Franco Gozzo. You got some cupboard space here, some floor. It's always nice to have a bit of floor in your hotel room. Floor enables you to put things on it, such as beds and bags and shoes. TV, reasonable size. Actually, it looks a bit small there. Usually now they're massive things. I think the higher or the better hotels, you get the bigger screens. I don't know. Is that a cue to how good your hotel room is? How big the telly is, perhaps? Charging ports, well, not charging ports, but you do get power points on both sides of the bed, which is really, really good. And your light switch is beside the bed as well, which is handy for just knocking them out when you go to sleep. But I will say this, if you have a child, they are painful. I'll show you what Max liked to do with these light switches. Leave those lights alone.
Oh my God.
So yes, convenient, but if you're two, they are great and he loved them, but they annoyed the piss out of Kinal and I. Let's look at the balcony. Lovely full window here with these curtains, which are good curtains. If you're a mosquito, you've got issues because you're not allowed outside, according to this. Das ist verboten for mosquito going out or in? I would have thought they would have that on the outside, so they know not to come inside. I don't know. I'll ask management. Let's have a look. Yeah, nice little spot. I mean, our view isn't great. It's just of the building next door, and you can sort of see the building next door's pool down there. But, you know, it's a little spot. You can have a cup of tea or a beer or a sit on this solid furniture. Look at that. They are solid. I'll give you the big tip. That looks like a chalkboard drawing, and haven't they done a lovely job doing that? Some plants, so a nice little courtyard space, and yeah, it was sheltered well from the rain the other day, so you could hang out here and just escape the room if you need to. Now finally, let's why don't things close on a bloody... There we go. Sort of solid as a rock. Let's check out the bathroom. This is an exceptional bathroom, as you'll soon find out. Yeah? Huh? Huh? Not bad, not bad. Check out, first of all, this dunny. Now, Brian, I know you are a fan of square-seated dunnies. You always mention our friends from school when you used to go to their houses, what sort of shitter they had, and I know the ones that had the square seats always held a special place in your heart. So I've thought of you many times while sitting there, Brian, and I'm sure you'd appreciate that. You get this nice full-length that-way mirror, so you can see what you're doing if you're standing over here or standing over there. The shaving mirror is really, really good. I do like a shaving mirror so you can get right up close and see precisely where all of your grey hairs are, so you can get rid of them and make yourself feel slightly younger. A plant here to make it look like a plant. Yeah, it's real, I think. Hairdryer, plenty of space for your stuff. You can have cocktails in here if you really want. I wonder whose that one was. Yeah, it's a big space to spread your stuff out. The piece de resistance though is this shower, and I reckon it is marvellous. Let me take you through some of the features. First of all, the feature that I like the most is this column type separator between the shitter and the shower. Now, although there is no solid divide, there is enough space between the two apparatuses that you will not get splashback from either, no matter how enthusiastic you are there or how enthusiastic you are here. Secondly, check out these rocks around the shower base. They are an interesting design feature. We've seen it once before at a hotel in Phnom Penh. I'll link the thing here. We stayed there once and it had this, and I thought it was quite bizarre, but yeah, it's interesting. Would make cleaning a bit of a pain in the ass, but hey, you don't think about things like that in Cambodia. You've got this area here which you could have a party in there. I don't know what it's for, but I'm assuming that's just shampoo rack. I mean, geez. It's pretty, it's a fair bit of real estate between me and that shampoo area. Hence why we've just chucked them all here on this particular window, which Max loved because he's learning shapes and he comes in here and goes, circle, circle, every time. But the shower head is brilliant. So you've got this massive space and you've got this lovely rain shower head up there, and it is very, very nice. It is a very, very pleasant shower you're having here with all of this space for your shampoo, a place for your towel, and some rocks to make you feel like you're sort of in nature of some way, shape or form. You get this barrier curtain here if you want some privacy, and that does a good job of keeping the splashes out of the bathroom. You get this towel rack, which is a ladder or something like that. Not a sound climbing device, but a very, very sound towel hanging apparatus. I would make two changes actually to this bathroom. One would be I put a latch on here so you don't, people from the outside can't open it, because Max loves sliding doors and he would just open and shut it, open and shut it, open and shut it. The next thing would be is to get management to invest in some WD-40 or other penetrating petroleum liquids. There we go, and of course it doesn't make the noise when I film it, but yeah, it gets squeaky. There we go. So imagine a child just open, close, open, close. And when you tell him to stop doing that, he goes and pisses around with the lights, so anyway, hence why I'm filming this when no one's here. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the tour of the Central Suite Residence Hotel here in the Sok San Road area. I haven't paid yet, so I've got no idea what they're charging me, because Kinal knows the person here. She knows every second hotel owner here. The actual rate that we got charged is $40 per night. And I think that is pretty reasonable compared to other places that we've stayed. I'll dub that in. We've got to go to a new place. Check out our next video and we'll show you what place we picked to live. If you've got anything to say, or if you've stayed here, if you've got any comments, leave them down there and I'll catch us in the next one.